What's up, guys? Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanmay, and you're watching Lens of Tanmay. Today, I am at a very special location. I'm in Goa, South Goa specifically, at Colva beach, and I woke up very early today. It's around 7:45 now. It's not that early, but yeah, sunrise has happened a couple of minutes ago, and you're getting some golden light kind of time now. And I heard a lot of birds around where I'm staying. So I'm staying in a shack near Colva beach basically, and it's called Anthy's Shack and Restaurant. So it's a fancy place, you can see, pretty cool aesthetics. And I'm staying in a cottage kind of like this one. So just to give you a quick tour, so this is my cottage where I am staying, and there's a lot of nature around here, a lot of birds chirping. It's early morning, of course, birds are all active. So I just thought, why not go on a quick stroll, take my camera out and do a little bit of photo video of these birds. Let's see what birds there are in this coastal area of Goa. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so I just spotted that greater cowcal, also known as Bharadwaj in Hindi, and he just took off. He just saw me and he just took off. He was right there in the bushes. He had come down and he literally took off. I don't know how he saw me. I was very careful while walking. He is there in those trees now, but it's not visible very clearly. Anyways, let's see if we can find someone else. I mean, he's there, I can see him, but I won't be able to capture it on photo. Let's take a stroll from the back side of our cottage. This is where I am staying, and now we'll take a stroll from the back. Let's see if we can find something. We'll also go on the beach. The beach is very super clean. I mean, it's almost blue waters, not entirely the turquoise or teal blue, but the water is super clean. The beach is also very clean, and this is what I love about South Goa. At least the couple of days that I've spent over here, there's not a lot of crowd, the beaches are clean, and that is amazing. That is not something that you find in Mumbai. There were a lot of birds over here just a few minutes ago. Okay, I think that's a kingfisher. I hope you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom in. Look at that. He's on that branch. Can you see that? Yeah, I think that's it. Is it a kingfisher? Looks like it. Okay, we just took off again. Okay, where did all the birds go, man? There were quite a lot of birds. Okay, there's a bunch of dogs. Look at this one. He's very curious about me. Look at this guy. He's charging at me. Just don't bite me. Alright, they became my friends now. So whenever stray dogs, first see you, they kinda are very suspicious. So if you run, they will charge at you. So a better way is to just hold your ground and not do anything funky or abrupt that will scare them even further. Just hold your ground, talk to them politely. Most of them are friendly, but if they are very aggressive and charging at you, then you may want to be a little bit cautious. But otherwise, most of these dogs are very friendly. Okay, so there are some birds in that area, so let's go and see if we can find them. Okay, I've spotted a green bird. It's such a pretty bird. Where's that? Holy shit. Where is that bird? Okay, he's sitting on the wire, although I'm not able to figure out where is that bird. Holy shit. Why can I not spot it? Is it a kingfisher? No, it's not a kingfisher. Are kingfishers green? I don't think so. Alright, he's right over there. Oh shit, it took off, man. He just took off. I hope he comes back. Okay, he's back. Alright, where is that bird? Holy shit, why am I such a noob? The color of that bird is green, and that is why he's very difficult to spot. What a beautiful bird, yeah, what a beautiful bird. I mean, he's right there. It's difficult to spot. Look at that. Okay, let's climb these sandy dunes and see what we got in those wild trees over there. Hopefully we get to spot something more of a rare kind of bird. The greater cowcul, we also have it in my own society, so I wasn't very amazed to see that guy. Let's see if we find something specific to this place, this location. The flycatcher, the green color one, the green bird was pretty exotic in my opinion. I haven't seen that bird, so for me it was a surprise. Hopefully we'll spot something over here. Okay, here's a magpie robin. This guy is pretty common. Look at the sound it is making. Just listen to the sound. They have very distinct sounds, and they can try to mimic other bird sound as well. Alright, you know what, let's try to go on the beach. Let's see if we have any birds at the beach. I mean, I'm sure there must be some, right? Okay, so let's head up to the beach. So from the shack itself where you're staying, or the cottages, there is an entrance to the cafeteria kind of place, and then after that we have the beach. So yeah, this is Colva beach, and this is where we guys are staying. This is Anthi's cafe, Anthi's shack. As you can see, not a lot of people. Of course, it's early morning, so look at these guys. They're being all rowdy and all. Shit, yaar. This guy just ruined my lens. I mean, now he smudged my lens. I mean, there's a guy who's literally meditating. Seems like a foreigner. Look at that. Look at that puppy. Pretty cute, no? We're doing a puppy shoot, I guess. That foreigner is legit meditating, man, and the dogs are hanging around with him. Looks like a very peaceful sight. I mean, if I just were to show you, look at those dogs. They're also like kind of chilling around with him in a very peaceful state. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up this video over here and explore the beach a little bit and hang out for a while. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up Let me know in the comments how this video was, and if you want such more content like POV style photography, videography, street photography, nature photography, do let me know in the comments. That will be super helpful. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.